Welcome to the intense, multi-billion-dollar world of global deep-sea tuna fishing. A realm where colossal ships chase elusive prey across vast, unpredictable oceans. From humble beginnings, technology now drives this high-stakes pursuit. At the helm, the captain bears immense responsibility, guiding his vessel. In this realm, one mechanical failure or rogue wave can cost millions. Engine pressure dropping, Captain. Hold steady, everyone. We ride this out. In this dangerous reality, the price of failure can be millions of dollars, or even a life. The global tuna market is a colossal industry, predicted to reach staggering values. Premium quality tuna can command prices equivalent to a luxury apartment. Today, the hunt for blue gold is a high-tech pursuit, guided by satellite. Advanced sonar and ocean floor sensors provide real-time, three-dimensional tracking. These submersible drones track fish schools with unparalleled precision. AI algorithms process vast data, optimizing the trawler's hunting strategy. New coordinates set. Full speed ahead, we've got a window. The immense pressure to fill the holes within tight weather windows is relentless. As high demand for premium sashimi spikes across emerging global markets, every tuna is quickly assessed, ensuring only the finest specimens proceed. This pristine quality is crucial for the discerning sashimi market globally. On board, the floating factory swings into action, ensuring rapid processing. A meticulous process unfolds, a testament to the scale of modern fishing. Under floodlights, the work continues, ceaseless, demanding, unwavering. This relentless pursuit is a carefully choreographed dance between man, machine, and the ocean's bounty. As dawn approaches, the hunt for blue gold continues, pushing boundaries. The quest for the ocean's silver is an endless journey across the deep-sea frontier. Inside, sophisticated cryogenic freezing technology preserves every catch. At -60 degrees Celsius, cellular quality is locked in, preserving perfection. This floating factory operates round the clock, a testament to human endurance. For hundreds of crew members, the open ocean becomes home for months. The ship's heart beats strong, maintained by an unwavering crew. Months pass, maintaining the unbroken cold chain of supply. Reefer 57, we are on schedule for rendezvous at Point Alpha. Soon, the mothership arrives, a logistical marvel on the open ocean. Intricate coordination ensures a seamless transfer of millions of dollars of catch. This continuous supply chain allows the trawler to remain at sea for extended periods. Without returning to port, the cycle of harvest and transfer repeats endlessly. The floating factory system ensures the world's appetite for tuna is met. Under the setting sun, the journey continues. A dance with the deep. Each vessel plays its role in an intricate, global symphony of supply and demand. The logistics of this floating factory are a marvel of modern industry. A testament to humanity's drive, even in the most unforgiving environments. The high seas are unforgiving, presenting extreme environmental hazards. Operating heavy machinery on unstable, slick decks takes an immense physical toll. The physical demands are brutal, pushing crews to their limits daily. Beyond nature's fury, fleets often navigate geopolitical tensions and tuna wars. Unidentified vessels closing fast. Prepare for contact. Fleets push further into disputed waters, sparking international friction. Helm, hard to port. All ahead full. These encounters can quickly escalate, turning into confrontations over resources. Beyond the physical, the psychological endurance required is immense. Months of isolation can take a heavy toll, far from family and land. Navigating the most unpredictable weather patterns on record demands constant vigilance. Then, moments of calm, a fragile peace after the storm's fury. Looks like the worst is finally behind us. The resilience of these crews, facing isolation and peril, is truly extraordinary. From the fury of the storm to the calm after, their dedication remains unshaken. This resilience is the true heart of deep-sea industrial fishing operations. From the ship's hold, tuna journey to legendary morning auctions. In Tokyo and Seoul, millions of dollars change hands in mere seconds. Speculators and corporate giants hedge on tuna futures like a volatile tech stock. Behind the auctions, a web of corporate giants drives the global distribution. The price of tuna fluctuates wildly, a true reflection of global demand. A lightning-fast distribution network ensures fish reach dinner plates within 48 hours. The ultimate journey, from deep ocean predator to a culinary masterpiece. This global economic engine fuels an insatiable demand for the ocean's most prized catch. The global auction and distribution networks are a testament to modern commerce. The future sees strict new international quotas, aiming for sustainability. The future sees strict new international quotas, aiming for sustainability. Blockchain tracking now verifies Blue Label sustainability from catch to consumer. Innovation shifts towards deep-sea aquaculture and advanced ocean ranching. Balancing profit with preservation is our greatest challenge now. This balance is crucial for the health of our planet's precious marine ecosystems. Yet, the rapidly changing chemistry of our warming global oceans presents a stark reality. The ocean changes, Captain. We must change with it. The ultimate question remains, can this high-stakes industrial machine survive and thrive in a changing world? The deep-sea frontier holds both its treasures and its warnings for humanity's future. Its fate and ours remains interconnected.